Have you wondered how to add the transport line to your game? This is the project I'm working on. I will show you how to make the transport line the object if you want to add to your game. So let's jump into the code from my current game. And first you will need 3 float statement, and that will be move speed, reset position Y because I work on the Y, and then you will need max stop position, bool is moving, and on awake you make is moving equal true, and an update you will need the function like move and reset line. And first you will need the if is moving, then transposition equal new vector to transposition x transposition y plus move speed multiplied by time delta time, and second if statement will be transposition y higher or equal to max position, and then x moving equal false, transposition new vector to transposition x reset position y, and is moving equal true. So now I will show you how this works in my current game. So on the transport line you will need to set up the move speed you like, and in this case I used 1, and my reset position is -108, and this is the last line in your transporting line, and you just take that coordinates and put on every single transport line you use. So you see this is the very bottom one, and you just can select all of them and write that position. So this is the position where the transport line will go back whenever it reset, and then he will need the max position, so when he want the line to reset. So now it's in the 3, and I just make it like it's go behind the building somewhere there, so the wall line go into the portal, and then it's gonna reset and just go back to the very bottom. So from the top it will just go back the very bottom and exchange the last line to fill the gap. So now let's see how it's work. So this is the top transport line, and now it's gonna move to the bottom whenever it reaches the max position, and you see it's go back to the very bottom, and the transport line keep moving. So now let's move closer, and you will see next one whenever it jump behind that one. So this is how the transport line work.
Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. If you're interested, check others videos from my channel. See you next time. Cheers.